How to lock hidden album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Photos and tap on it. You are now in the Photo Settings page where you can customize various aspects of the app, including iCloud settings, camera settings, and more. Here, scroll down and turn on the Use Face ID feature. This means that Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. You have now successfully locked the hidden album in Photos. Following these steps, you can easily lock hidden album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.